Hey Sassies, welcome back to my channel. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Channel. I'm back with another video. Today I will be reviewing this Revlon Salon One Step hair dryer and volumizer. I'm gonna give you my full review. A lot of people will be scared here. I'm just kidding. No, a lot of people say that this is really a good gadget to have. I usually let my hair, air dry, but if I'm in a hurry and I'm going somewhere to do my hair quick, I can use this. It's from Target. I think it was like $59.99 or like around 60 bucks, around there. I got the green kind. I know you can get like the pink. There has different colors on Amazon. Let's just get into the video. So my hair is dry. Oh my god, my hair feels so silky. So this side only took about 10 minutes to 7 minutes on my video, and it is dry, like completely dry, and it has a flow to it. It looks shiny and I love how it feels. Yes, darling. I'm gonna do the other side and then I'll come back and give y'all my last opinion. I freaking love this thing. Like, where was him? Ow. It's kind of a little hot. But where was it my whole life? Like, it is definitely something every girl should have. It is so easy. I was done in about 20 minutes. And I just really wanted to like review it, blow dry it, and like see how it feels. It is definitely a yes. I was a little skeptical because some people online were saying how it stopped working. So we're gonna see if this stops working within the next few weeks. It's not something I'm gonna use like every day or every time I wash my hair because it is damaging to your hair. For me, it is a go. I wanted to share some products that I use just because everybody's hair is different. Everybody uses different stuff on their hair, so I just wanted to show you guys what I use in my hair. You already saw I put my primer spray on it, which has 10 benefits, which is, I love it. It's my second bottle. I got it at Ulta Cop. I'm gonna put the description I'll put the link in the description for you guys. I wash my hair with these shampoo and conditioner. After I use the conditioner, I use this Shea Moisture Rehydration Treatment Mask. It's 100% virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil is extremely good for your scalp. This is my second bottle. Works. I use this because I knew I was gonna blow dry my hair and I knew it was gonna damage it a little, so I wanted to bring some more hydration to it. And I'm almost out. Like I say, I love this. So that is it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.